This is the hub in St. Ives. So that's the hub area. You see the water, the boats, everywhere. So that's the hub in St. Ives. And the streets are also beautiful. I will just zoom in, show you the streets. You can see the whole surfing. This is the harbor area in St. Ives. Boat surfing, boat riding, some birds in the water, birds, lots of activities around this area. The harbor in St. Ives, Cornwall County. So you can do snorkeling, I don't know, surfing, boat riding, so many activities.
Have you got one in Brooklyn?
This is the harbor in St. Ives area, very beautiful.